Hello, my name is Mitja and you are watching a quick video recap of our most recent blog tutorial, in which I will demonstrate how to increase the energy of your build-ups with chord tension. Tension and release refer to the build-up of musical tension that finally fades and relaxes in a musical sense. A moment of restlessness in the music produces anticipation and the resolution of the drama for the listener. There are many ways how tension and release can be introduced to electronic music tracks, and in the next tutorial I will show you how to increase the energy of your build-ups with chord tension. Let us start with a short sequence I created in a SoundBridge DAW, which contains the majority of the full mix elements without the chord progression. Here you can see the original chord progression that I have created. The tension method I used here is known as looping. It is essentially looping the first portion of the chords and speeding up the progression as it gets closer to the release or drop. You can see that I also added a snare drum fill and a few uplifters, as well as the automation of the synth high-pass filter toward the drop, in order to add more energy to the build-up. I hope you will find this technique interesting, and for a full blog article, please visit our website at soundbridge.io.